want to look stylish while hitting the gym and still feel comfy? You are in the right place. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share my Savannah gym wear haul. Affordable, trendy and super cozy workout gear. I will be giving you my honest thought on everything: fittings, fabrics, stretch, scot proof or not. So without wasting time, let's start it. Alright guys, let's talk about the pink jacket. Seriously, the color is just gorgeous, right? The fabric is super soft and feel amazing on your skin. Plus it's got these thumb holes which I think are pretty handy for gym wear. When you're working out, it soaks up the sweat and doesn't feel sticky. And let me tell you, the fit is super flattering. I honestly feel confident and pretty when I wear it. If you are into these feminine soft pink shade, you gotta give this one a shot. Trust me, it's totally worth it. Guys, if you are all about fashion, beauty and scoring some deal without breaking the bank, make sure you smash that subscribe button, okay? You definitely don't wanna miss what's coming up. Alright guys, let's talk about the white jacket I have got. Honestly, it's one of my faves. When I wear it, my face just kinda glow. The fabric is super soft and it stretch really easily. Plus, it even has thumb hole which is pretty cool. This thing is perfect for those upper body workout days. Just one little thing though. If you are not scared of rocking white at the gym, then definitely go for it. Seriously, it looks classy and clean and you can't go wrong with that vibe. So yeah, if you're looking for a fresh addition to your workout gear, this jacket is solid choice for you. Alright, let's chat about the brown jacket guys. It's not an average jacket, trust me. First off, it's got this huge hoodie that literally cover your whole head. Like no kidding. The shape of jacket is super stylish too, with that cool V shape in the front. It's perfect for those days when you're feeling like a main character. The fabric is soft and has a bit of stretch, but I am little skeptical about how sweat proof it really is. Just keeping it real here. The length is a bit on shorter side. So if you are into shorter jackets, you definitely vibe this one. If you find it on the sale though, honestly it's totally worth the grabbing. So keep your eyes peeled. Alright everyone, let's chat about the amazing brown jacket I recently got my hands on. Let me tell you, it fits perfectly and look absolutely identical to the white one I already have. But I must say, it's comfy, stretchy, which is a major plus point. Now the length of this jacket is a bit longer than other brown jacket, but honestly, I actually prefer it when it's this way. It's a fantastic choice for practicing Pilates, yoga, or simply going for a workout at a gym. If you are in search of something practical and easy to put together for daily active wear, this jacket is definitely the one for you. Believe me when I say you absolutely love it. Guys, so let's talk about something that's totally normal. Having a little belly pouch, especially when you are just starting out at the gym. Especially it happens to the best of us. You know what? I love wearing jacket like this. They make me feel super confident. And here the thing. Not every day is a ab day, right? Some days your body just doesn't feel the same, and that's totally okay. For all the beginners out there, jacket like this can really help boost your confidence while you're working on your fitness journey. My motto: comfort first, everything else come later. Like that's my gym rule. And let's not forget about the pants. After jacket, the red gym pant are must. You need to be able to move freely, and trust me, that's where the magic happens. Alright, let's crush those workout pants. Guys, I really want to hear from you in the comment section what been your favorite outfit so far. Please feel free to share your thought and let me know. Alright guys, let's talk about these burgundy gym pants. Especially the color is just stunning. The waistband super stretchy and comfy, so you won't feel any discomfort around your tummy. The fabric is soft and stretchy, making them perfect for the leg days. And guess what? They are Scott proof, so you can work without any worries. Plus, let's be real, these pants gonna totally slay in your gym selfie. Yeah, you look awesome. Let's talk about this black pant. So first off, black is basically must have in any gym wardrobe, right? You can't go wrong with it. Now the waistband isn't super tight, but trust me, the fit is super comfy all around, like your tummy and thighs. It's got the cozy vibe, the fabric. It's like fiber soft, which means you can move easily around without feeling restricted. Perfect for those daily workout. For sure, overall these pants are solid choice. Simple, comfy, and honestly I have got no complaint. You just throw them on and you are good to go. Alright guys, let me introduce you to these gorgeous pants that I have been absolute obsessed with recently. You know how it is, isn't it? When you find something that perfectly captures your heart and taste. These pants are the real deal, hands down. First off, let's talk about the color. The blue is so trendy and versatile. Plus, it adds just right touch of elegance to the look. And when you consider the comfort, it's easy to see why they become your go-to choice. The fit I will give solid 10 on 10. The material is absolute amazing too. I can't believe it's so affordable. If you're on the hunt for some style and super comfy pant, look no further than these. Trust me, you won't regret giving them a try. Guys, so I just tried out a sport bra from Savannah for the first time, and I gotta say, I like hitting the gym. Now, about the sport bra, it's kinda okay. If I am being real with you, nothing super amazing, but definitely not trouble either. But honestly, in this price range, I have found better sports bra option out there. So yeah, it's a average option, nothing to write home about. Just keep it real with you all. Alright, the last but definitely not the least. Let's talk about this black crossband gym pant. Yeah, the waist was this cool cross design that gives you a nice snitch effect. Super flattering, trust me. The fabric is soft, stretchy, and honestly feel sweatproof too. You can do lunges, leg workout without any hustle. Plus, they look great for gym selfie. So you will be looking fly while you work out. Overall, for the price, these plants are totally worth it. Alright, guys, that was my Savannah gym wear haul. Now I wanna hear from you. What outfit did you like the most? Drop a comment and let me know cause I am super curious about your thought. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button if you haven't subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now. If you are down for more styling vibe, haul, gym stuff, or vlogs, just shout it out. This time I will all in.